So this right here is my spaghetti cooked already. I've already strained the spaghetti and it's waiting to be added with my fried sausage. Alright, for those who are interested in learning how to make Haitian spaghetti, alright, so what you have to do, well, the first thing you would have done is boil your spaghetti. Okay, so once you done boil your spaghetti, you set that aside. And now you cut up your sausage in nice big chunks. Put some oil in it, the healthy oil, vegetable oil. And you fry those chunky sausage down, and then I'm gonna add some tomato. Alright, there you have it. Tomato paste has been added. Alright, so you let that tomato paste fry down in there. To give your noodles or the spaghetti that red color. Oh my god, look at this thing. Of course, you season to taste. Now, my high yellow friends would add just a dash of salt or a pinch of pepper. But we black people, we sprinkle salt on it. We know when it's enough. Black pepper, I put some basil in that. Okay, looking good. So I have my nice red flavor. And for someone like me, I love it when my meat is fried down. Now, when I was in Abaco, they used to add ground beef to this. Listen here. If I was planning on recording, I would have bought some ground beef from the food store, but I didn't. Look at that. Now, what I usually do is I would add my herbs again in a little bit later. Not again. Sorry. I add some onions and some sweet pepper to the pot. Now, I will put it in after I've already let the sausage fry a little bit because I don't want my onions and sweet pepper to burn. Now, some persons put in before. I like to put it in after. I decided to add some hot dogs so people watch this sizzle. All right, y'all. So I've just poured my spaghetti in with the sausage. So now what I need to do is add some butter to that. Mix right there, oh yeah. To keep my spaghetti loose. That's how you want to keep it. You want to keep the spaghetti loose. And folks, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the button down below. Ding! Alright, so while you're going to mix it now. Okay, you're going to mix it all together until the spaghetti has the red color of the tomato paste. Look at that. Scrumptious. Scrumptious. I mean, my nephew them can't wait to get up in this right now. Okay, notice how I'm ensuring that the red coloring gets in. And what the butter does, or the margarine, it ensures that my spaghetti stays loose. I don't know if y'all like friendly spaghetti, but I sure don't. Now look at that. I don't like it too red and I don't like it too white. So all I'm doing is mixing it and ensuring that the spaghetti gets a little frying and that red color from the tomato paste. Again, person, don't forget to like and subscribe. And there you have it, Haitian spaghetti with some sausage. And of course, stay tuned for the hard-boiled egg. That's what we like to eat. That's a staple of ours with our spaghetti. Like and subscribe. Hey, y'all, as requested, this is what the final plate looks like. So my boiled egg. I have some lettuce, tomatoes, and spinach garnished with basil and Parmesan cheese, courtesy of Marco's. So Marco's, y'all getting this free advertisement right here. People, when you want some good pizza, Marco's is the place. Now this is our Haitian spaghetti with hot dog and sausage. We have our salad, you know, healthy, 2020, and our hard-boiled egg garnished with basil. Now, disclaimer, Haitians don't use Parmesan cheese. So I'm being a little Italian tonight. Muchísimo. All right. So here we go. This is our nice plate. Delectable. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to dig in. Okay, y'all. My sister just came home and she asked me to quickly whip her up some garlic bread to go with her plate with some spaghetti, lettuce, spinach, and tomatoes. Okay? So I decided to quickly whip up a nice little garlic bread made with Haitian bread. Let me tell you how much for this bread. You can get 4 loaves of bread for $5. Another free ad